If your camp meals are stuck on cold beans and burnt sausages, it's time for an upgrade. In today's video, we're firing up the top 5 best camping stoves for 2025. Each one handpicked for power, portability, and real-world cooking performance. You'll find all the product links in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to Hype Tech Picks for more no-fluff gear picks. Alright, let's get into it. Starting at number 1 is the Camp Chef Everest 2X, the ultimate camp kitchen boss for 2025. This 12-pound, 2-burner beast cranks out 20,000 BTUs per burner, boiling water in just 3 minutes, 12 seconds, according to Outdoor Life. Its wedge-shaped windscreens and twist igniter keep things rocking even when the wind's howling. Gear Junkie's been hyping it for ages, and I saw one at a tailgate pumping out gourmet tacos. The crowd lost it. Priced around $190, it's a sweet spot for power and toughness. The simmer control's so smooth, you'll nail sauces or steaks like a pro chef. Built for car camping, not backpacking, it's got metal latches and a rugged vibe that'll outlast your tent. I'm telling you, this stove's a game-changer for group meals. If you're dreaming of campfire feasts that leave everyone begging for seconds, the Camp Chef Everest 2X is your ticket to culinary stardom in the wild. Coming in at number 2 is the Coleman Classic Propane, the budget hero that's been winning hearts forever. This 11-pound, 2-burner stove pumps out 20,000 BTUs total, boiling water in under 5 minutes flat. Wirecutter and the Inertia call it Old Reliable for its no-nonsense steel build and dead simple setup. Just hook up the propane and go. Around $75 to $100, it's a fraction of fancier picks. I've seen families at campgrounds churning out burgers and hot dogs like they're running a diner. The windscreens handle breezy days, and it fits 12 and 10-inch pans for big group meals. No fancy auto ignition, but a match gets you going. It's not trying to flex, but for car campers watching their wallet, it's a straight-up legend. If you want a trusty stove that'll last years and cook up a storm without draining your bank account, the Coleman Classic's your campfire sidekick. Number 3's the Jetboil Genesis Basecamp, a portable powerhouse for feeding the whole squad. Weighing just 6.2 pounds, this system folds like a clamshell, packing 2 10,000 BTU burners, a 5-liter pot, and a non-stick pan into a slick carry bag. Outdoor Life clocks its boil time at 3 minutes, 16 seconds, even in 15 mph winds. The lever igniters and top-notch simmer control let you whip up chili or pancakes like a boss. I saw one at a family campsite, dishing out breakfast for 8. Total crowd pleaser. It's around $400, but the compact design's worth every penny. The Genesis is built for car campers who want a full kitchen without the bulk. The windscreen's a tad flimsy, but for versatility, it's a champ. If you're rolling with a crew and need gourmet meals on the go, this stove's your all-in-one camp kitchen. At number 4, we've got the Snow Peak Home and Camp, a single-burner gem for solo campers or small crews. This butane-powered beauty weighs only 3 pounds and packs smaller than your water bottle. But its 8,333 British thermal units boil water in 5 minutes. Clever Hiker loves its simmer control, perfect for rice or bacon without scorching. The sleek design and auto-ignition make it stupid easy to use, and I caught a camper frying trout with it by a lake. Looked like a pro chef. Around $120, it's a premium pick for minimalists. It's ideal for quick meals or stealth camping, though butane's not great in super cold weather. For lightweight campers who want style and precision, this stove's pure vibes. It's like bringing your kitchen's finesse to the trail without lugging extra gear. If you're after a compact cooker that makes every bite a masterpiece, the Snow Peak Home and Camp's calling you. Rounding out the list at number 5 is the Camp Chef Mountaineer, a gourmet's dream for serious camp cooks. This all-aluminum beast dishes out 40,000 BTUs across 2 burners, searing steaks faster than you can blink. At 16 pounds, it's a bit heavy, but it's built like a fortress, with a 3-way windscreen that shrugs off gusty winds. Wirecutter calls it overkill for most, but a chef's delight. And I saw one at a group campout feeding a crew paella. Straight up fancy. Priced around $379, it's for pros who mean business. The 5-pound propane tank hookup keeps you cooking for hours without swapping canisters. It's made for car camping, not backpacking, and cleans up easy for the next feast. If you're the type who wants kitchen-quality meals in the wilderness, the Camp Chef Mountaineer's your sous chef for epic outdoor banquets. And that's a wrap on our top 5 best camping stoves, handpicked for power, portability, and real-world performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest gear picks. For updated pricing and more info, check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching Hype Tech Picks, and we'll see you in the next video.